So we got this beautiful lady here. We did the lower face and neck and lower eyelid. There's some hollowness here in the cheek area. We're gonna do some fillers. I'll use President Lip to elevate the depressions in nasojugal area, that area for those deep wrinkles. I inject, I pull back, so I don't inject it while I'm going forward. I inject it as I'm pulling the syringe out. So we're getting some fullness in that area. Just go little by little to overfill and give smooth contouring in this area. And I do some sculpting of it by just massaging it so to sculpt it to the shape that is desired.
Oh yeah. Geez, I keep getting younger every minute here.
That's
This
what
is
you
crazy.
hear.
I don't want to leave. Take me all the way back, doctor.